chat. Which one you want to do? What kind of relationship you are in?
Sure. Oh my God.
What kind of relationship you are in? How much do you and your significant other talk? How much do we talk? We talk maybe 6 hours a week. Almost never. We just cuddle all day. ये चीज तो नहीं हो रही अभी. इस चीज में तो टाइम है अभी.
What time?
A lot, and it's mostly joking around with each other. We talk at least 100 hours a week. We have changed. We have been talking less than usual lately, to be honest. It changes a lot, just depends. Okay. 2 liter Coca-Cola in 2026. Coca-Cola कहाँ दिख गया तुमको?
Oh my God, guys. I was drinking it, bro. Why do you guys hate me, dude? I'm just thirsty like that. Oh my God.
अभी श्रेयस वो बोर हो रही है, उसको ऐसा लग रहा है हिस्ट्री की क्लास में आ गई है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग कर. देखो तू बोर हो रही है मेरे साथ. नहीं हो रही
That's
ब्रो.
just my
व्हाट शुड वी डू? वी टॉक 6 hours a week or less?
No,
100 तो ज्यादा है.
ये भी नहीं.
ये वाला. Okay, I'll select that. How far away does your partner live? Right now she is 400 kilometers away. That's why we are having this remote conversation. Pretty far, but it's okay because I just make them drive to see me. नहीं ये नहीं है. We live in the same city and that's all that matters. नहीं. Last option. It's a long distance. I think इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ चल रहा है. What do you think, chat? हमारे बीच में कुछ चल रहा है?
चल सकता है.
चल सकता है, चल नहीं रहा.
The second date is too early to say that, you know.
Is it too early? इतनी जल्दी? मतलब I'm moving too quick.
Yeah, let's.
Okay, what do you and your partner have in common? I'd say music taste तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. She listens to Taylor Swift.
I don't.
She listens to BTS.
Guys, I was in middle school. Oh my God, I'm not telling you anything about myself anymore. I was a kid, bro. I was a kid, okay? And there were 7 hot men in front of me.
I believe we can go on loyalty.
Yeah, I think so.
Loyalty? Hell ना. ना दिव्या दी spam हो रहा है भाई. ना दिव्या दी. ना दिव्या दी ना. आप क्यों करे ऐसा?
सुनना बंद कर दिया था भाई.
BTS. अबे श्रेयस ऐसा क्यों लगता है? इसकी आंखों से 4 दिन से सोई नहीं है. तो 4 दिन से नहीं सोई, क्या हो गया दिव्या? What happened? Why did you not sleep? इतनी याद आ रही है मेरी तुम्हें. इतनी
Please.
याद आ रही है.
Please, shut up. So basically, I watch movies all night और फिर सोते 4-5 बज जाते. But I'm trying to fix that. Cause I slept early. I slept at like 2:30. That's like pretty early.
Okay, next question. What one thing you have changed about your partner? अपने partner के बारे में क्या
You would
change?
change about your partner.
तो ये मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. What would you change about me?
The fact that they won't give me the password to their phone. नहीं. Nothing there is absolutely perfect and they will. I like this option. ठीक है? I like this option. They spend too much time with their friends and or family. I don't like this option. I don't like this option. उससे पूछूं ये? नहीं ये ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है श्रेयस. उससे पूछूं. चल तू बता.
What I change about you?
हाँ, in this option. मैं तो कुछ चेंज नहीं करूंगा ऐसे यार. सही कह रहा है दिशांत यार. W says दिशांत. सही कह रहा है तू. मैं भी कुछ यूज नहीं करूंगा भाई.
I think nothing a part of loving someone is acknowledging that they're flawed. But I don't see any flaws in you right now.
The whole partner.
No, I think I like you just the way you are.
So what are you gonna?
Nothing, they're absolutely perfect the way they are.
This one. Oh my God, that's an option. What's something you will leave your partner for?
Is there food in it?
Nothing ever. A lack of communication. If they were really rude to people working at a store restaurant, if I saw that they still friends with their ex, if they stopped being nice to me and making me laugh, and this option. 29 rupees के लिए thank you मेरे भाई. मैसेज भी डाल देते यार एक. लीव फॉर कोका कोला, ना ना ना, शी एंट लिविंग. 3 महीने बाद पता चलेगा कितना. ओपी जिंदल गर्ल्स आर रेड फ्लैग. श्रेयस रुको. What do you want to answer though?
If you were rude to the working class, yeah, then I would definitely.
This answer. This is the answer you're giving. Bad to you, bad you. 40 रुपए लिख सकते हैं. 40 दे के लिखो. अबे ये आपकी डेट कैसी बन गई? That's an insult on me कि इतनी सुंदर लड़की मेरी डेट कैसे बन गई? Obviously भाई. Obviously chat. If your significant other was sad, how would you cheer them up? ये मैं आंसर करता हूँ.
What? Good.
I don't know. That's really my job. I like this option. नहीं 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 नहीं. How did you two meet? Hinge. I was using Hinge chat. I was using some Hinge chat. I would show them with affection if they wanted. Okay. I would ask them if they did anything wrong and how can I fix it. Okay. I make them some comfort food and let them vent if they want. Oh, I like this option. You didn't say that. No. Why did you two meet? Why? Now new question is why? क्यों मिले तुम लोग भाई? अबे मिले ही क्यों? क्यों मिले भाई? क्या हो गया? है भाई? क्यों मिले? हम क्यों मिले दिव्या बताओ?
Actually, that's a very good question. Why was I using Hinge? I don't know. I just was like, I don't know. Why was I on Hinge? Yeah, so basically, I had been single for a really long time, and all my friends thought that I have no interest left in guys, and they got pretty scared. They were like, you should use Hinge. So I started to use Hinge, and then I met Shreyas right when I was about to delete Hinge because I didn't like guys like that. So, but then I saw his profile. I was like, we started talking, and then we're talking still.
Okay.
I
That's
can't
cool.
see, I
That's
can't
cool.
see
Shit,
Charlie
it's a
Puth.
canon event. It's a canon event. मेरा
What's a
कटने
canon?
वाला है कुछ दिनों में मतलब chat. मेरा कटने वाला है chat. Did Shreyas raised you up? I guess, हाँ.
Bro, he was very funny. Like, if I could tell you the entire thing, I would have. He was very nice too. Yeah.
I would say इसका answer है make them some comfort food and let them vent if they wanted to. That's my answer. That's my answer, Chad. I'm not lying. अबे वो गाना सुनाओ. हाँ सुना रहा हूँ इसके बाद. Where is Gamora? Why is Gamora? Who is Gamora? Tell क्या tell करना है भाइयों? Your significant other is working themselves way too hard. What do you do? This is your.
Let me do that.
You answer this. You answer this.
Yeah. Let me read it. Give them into spending time with you. I'd surprise them with a little act of kindness. What do you think I do? I know what I. Let me read. Come on. I just let them be. If they want to overwork themselves, that's on them. Probably just sit with them and asking what they're doing. Even if they're busy with work, they can have more time for. I can have more time for myself, which is amazing. Tell them you're concerned that they're working too hard and encourage them.
What are you saying?
I'm a
She
bit
is slow.
confused. I'm confused between the right wale ka top one and the bottom. So that's that.
So what is your answer?
Like a mix of both. Do you get me? Like, do you get what I'm trying to say?
What are the two options you're going for?
The right wale ka top and bottom. I surprise them with a little act of kindness and uska bottom. Do you now get what I'm trying to say?
Nah.
Right ka bottom.
Right ka bottom. I don't know, bhai. I feel she ain't for you, Shreyas. You deserve better. Divya, would you date Vanchaj if he approaches you?
Oh, that guy Vanchaj.
Vanchaj जो stream करता है. You? Why? Oh no. Your SOS
Significant other.
is sick. What do you do? I honestly don't know if they even want me to take care of them. Give them a lot of hugs and never leave. ताकि मेरे को बुखार हो जाए ताकि. अच्छा, वेट अंटिल दे आर बेटर टू हैंग आउट, ताकि मेरे को बुखार ना हो. मेक श्योर दे आर कंफर्टेबल एंड देन अरेंज अ विजिट टू द डॉक्टर ऑफिस. दैट्स द ऑप्शन आई लाइक. मेक देम सूप एंड पुट इन अ गुड टी. अच्छा, दवाई कौन खिलाएगा फिर? मेक देम गिल्टी फॉर गेटिंग सिक एंड पुटिंग अ प्रेशर ऑन यू. पागल है क्या भाई? पागल है क्या भाई? I would say, make sure they are comfortable and then arrange a visit to the doctor office. That's my answer. How well do you know? How well do you think you really know your partner? Not well, to be honest, well enough. I am more concerned about whether they know really better than they know themselves. I know them pretty well, but this still surprise me all time. I would like to know. I would go with that answer. I know them pretty well, but I still get surprised.
This is surprising. Yeah.
You know. And lastly, do you see a future with this person? Yes, it gives me butterflies. Cute relationship. It's a cute relationship. Oh, you and your significant other have such a cute relationship, and everyone in your life knows that. Some people may roll their eyes and think even at the doubles. That's W's. That's W's. Bye. That's W's. Cute relationship. We matched on Hinge last month, and you told me you ain't searching for a relationship. So when did this happen?